guys? Rob here at Bob Evans Classics. If you want to see all of our new inventory every week, please hit that subscribe button. We get new cars in daily. Hit the like button. Appreciate you checking us out. Let's go. What is up, guys? Rob here with Bob Evans Classics. I got a November 1st, 2023 update for you. We got over 25 classic cars in stock. We're gonna go over each and every single car, let you know what they got in them, the condition of them, and the pricing. If you like classic cars and want to see all of our new inventory, please hit the like button and subscribe so you can get updated every single day. All the prices shown on this video are YouTube specials only. If you're on Instagram or any of our other social media platforms, you will not be getting the discount you'll be getting here. So let's go ahead and get started, guys. We got this 1979 Trans Am. It's got T-tops, automatic. It's driver quality. It's got a 400. Runs and drives very well. This one I will let go for $23,500. $23,500. A little Smokey and the Bandit action. Behind it, we got a 67 Chevy C10. It's got a 350 under the hood. Was restored in 2012. It's got a Camaro green color. Drivetrain's all new. This thing is solid, no rust, no rot. Had this one a little while. I have it marked down $21,000. Got a nice 71 Chevelle Malibu. It's got a small block 400. Sits nice and aggressively. Up in the back a little bit. This one's $25K. $25,000. In front of that one, got the 72 Chevelle. This one's an SS Tribute, not a true SS by VIN number. It's got a 350 under the hood, 350 transmission. Car was restored about 10 years ago. It's been sitting in the garage since. It's originally from Florida. Interior was done in it. It's got no rot, no rust whatsoever. This thing is clean. It's ready for a new home. I need 32 on this one. Very, very clean. And then I got this Camaro here, 68 Z28 clone. It's got a 383 stroker, matching transmission, DTS rear end. It's got about 2,000 miles on the motor and trans. Crate from GM. It drives exceptionally well. Gotta learn how to talk, but it drives really good. This is a better driver than looker, in my opinion. The car drives like a new car because it's got that new drivetrain, upgrade suspension in it. I would let this one go for $32,500. $32,500 gets this one going. Then we have three C3 Corvettes. This one's a 4-speed for $12,000. This one's a 4-speed as well. This one is 11, and this is an automatic for 10. 3 cheapies. 3 ready to go to a new home. They all got 350s in them. Then we got this bad boy Fox body 88 manual transmission. This thing's had a bunch of work done to it. Transmission, engine's all been upgraded. It's got a 302 under the hood. It's got a roll cage in it. It's an SVT. Asking $12,000 for this. Very fast. Then I got a 70 convertible with a 302. It's had pretty much the same owner since new. It was a father and daughter's car. Daughter got it in high school from her dad. This is driver quality. This one's $17,500. And we got a pair of white Mustangs, both Wimbledon white. This one's got the vinyl top. It's in very good condition. Got a couple flaws on the body. It's manual steering, manual brakes, 18.5. But it's very, very clean. The engine's all been redone. It's had a bunch of work done to it. Then we got this 66 here. Both are 66. This car is really, really nice. So this car, it's got power steering, power front disc brakes. It's got the pony interior. We got AC. And this one was restored pretty much original. I'm sorry, it's a non-power steering car. AC car. Let's scratch that last thought, but it is front power disc brakes. Then we got a little junky Mustang here. It's not bad condition, but it's not good either. It runs, it drives, but it does have some body work that it needs. This one's $10,000. Needs paint. Then we got this nice Ford Fairlane 500 64. This one is $15,000. It's got a 289. Outside the gate, got the 71 Duster. This thing's a one owner. Super clean. No rust, no rot. Original paint, $15,000 bucks. Got a Charger here for $12,500 with a 440 under the hood. Guys, this is a great deal. Mopar or no car, come on, for the price. Then we'll move over here. We got some foreign cars. We got this MGB convertible. It's got only like 60,000 miles on it. I would let this one go for $8,500. Then we got a 67 Volkswagen Beetle. It's the most desirable year if you know anything about Volkswagen, 67. This one I can do $11,000 on it. We move over here to this beautiful Camaro. It's an SS Tribute, 350 under the hood. This one's listed for $35,000. And we got a couple off-roading vehicles here. We got this 2007 FJ Cruiser Toyota, all been redone. Got beautiful big tires on it. This one is $15,000. It's lifted up. Got a winch, got LED headlights, bunch of mods to it. We got this Jeep 73 CJ5. It's got a nice V8 in it. I would take $10K straight for this. Then we got this TJ here. We're doing a little bit of work to it, replacing the master cylinder. Frame's all been redone, it's been lifted. I need 11,000 on this. We got a Land Cruiser with 160,000 miles, a 91. 6-cylinder, 4x4, no rust, no rots, from South Carolina and Florida. It's spent most of its life. This one is 11,500. Finally, that takes us to this truck here. It's our shop truck. We've been using it to haul stuff with it. It's an 86. One owner, low mileage. It's got like 60,000 miles on it, no rust, clean for 11K. But yeah, guys, this is our lot update, November 2023. If anybody's interested in any of these cars, please send me an email or give me a call, 215-801-9493, or go on our website, bobevansclassics.com. If you like this video and you made it to the end, please leave me a comment. Say I made it to the end and you're a true fan. If you have, I appreciate everybody checking out our page. Give me a call today. God bless the USA, guys. Love you guys. Talk to you guys later on. Let's go.